Dear students of class 12th, our today's topic is business environment, its importance, or we can say importance of studying business environment. Dear students, we have already discussed what is business environment. Business is related to the society, exists in the society, draws its inputs from the society, and supplies its output to the society. Society consists of customers, suppliers, banks, financial institutions, and trade unions, etc. So, business environment affects the business. A businessman must study the business environment, what is happening around him. Then he can continue his business successfully. The importance of business environment can be understood by the following points. We must study business environment because of following reasons. Number one, advantage of early move. A businessman who is aware of the coming opportunities may benefit by his early move. The firms which are able to scan these opportunities at an early stage get maximum benefit and can leave their competitions behind. Second point of importance is helping in identification of threats and early warning signals. Understanding business environment helps an enterprise to recognize qualitative information in advance, which can be used to prepare it for facing likely challenges. For example, if a new multinational company is entering into the Indian markets, the managers of an Indian firm dealing with the same product should take it as a warning signal, should take measures to improve his product quality so that he can attract customers. Number three, coping with the rapid changes. Studying business environment helps in coping with the rapid changes. Business environment is very dynamic in nature. There are rapid changes in technologies, fragmented markets, demands of customers, heavy global competitions, and so on. In order to cope effectively and efficiently with these changes, manager must understand the environment and has to adopt appropriate courses of action at the right time. Fourth point of importance is improvement in performance. Studying business environment provides broad based education to managers. The information generated by such understanding provides a strong basis for strategic thinking. The enterprise that monitors the environment closely can adapt suitable business practices not only